Ready to claim your BetRivers bonus? Let's go from sign up to first digital bet. Open the BetRivers app, tap Create Account, and enter name, email, and password. Verify your account by tapping the email link or entering the SMS code. Go to Wallet, choose a payment method, enter an amount, and confirm your deposit. On the deposit screen, enter your bonus code in the promo field and apply it. Check the bonus terms, eligible markets, minimum odds, and wagering requirements before claiming. Back to the home screen, browse sports, and find a digital market you like. Tap an event, choose your market, set your stake, and see the potential payout. Review your bet slip, confirm the bonus is applied, then tap Place Bet. You'll get a confirmation screen and an email with your bet details. Track your bonus balance in Wallet and meet wagering steps before withdrawing. Claim your BetRivers bonus now, sign up, enter the code, and place your first digital bet.